Nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Basic unit purine and pyrimidine. That is the syllabus point. Nucleic acids are the following types. Two types. One, deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. Ribonucleic acid or RNA. The differences between DNA and RNA are mentioned in the syllabus. Therefore, each point when we are discussing, the difference is mentioned. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides. Fill in the blank question. Then, first point, what are the constituents of nucleic acids? A nucleotide consists of three chemical constituents: a sugar unit, a nitrogen containing heterocyclic base, and a phosphate group. These are the three groups contained in a nucleotide. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotide. Now, what are the sugar units present? One, sugars present in the nucleic acid. Two types of pentose sugars have been obtained by the hydrolysis of nucleic acid. Fill in the blank question. That is one, beta D ribose, and another one, beta D2 deoxyribose. The nucleotide present in DNA contains beta D2 deoxyribose, whereas that present in RNA contains beta D ribose. First difference between DNA and RNA. 2. Nitrogen bases in nucleic acids. The nitrogen base residue present in the nucleotide is a heterocyclic nitrogenous base and is a derivative of either purine or pyrimidine. This is the purine structure. You must know the purine structure and the pyrimidine structure because it is clearly mentioned in the syllabus, purines and pyrimidine. Thus, nitrogen bases present in nucleic acids belong to either of the following two classes of heterocyclic nitrogenous bases. That is one, purine. Commonly found purines are adenine and guanine. Then pyrimidines. The commonly found pyrimidines are thiamine, cytosine and uracil. Second difference based on this purine and pyrimidine. The base residue present in RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil, while those present in DNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thiamine. That is the second difference. Now third unit, phosphate group. A nucleotide possesses a phosphoric acid unit. The unit is responsible for linking nucleotides together in the nucleic acid molecule. Now, what distinguishes between nucleosides and nucleotides? Nucleosides, the base sugar unit present in a nucleic acid chain is known as nucleoside. That is, base and the sugar is known as nucleoside. Nucleotide, the base sugar phosphate unit, that means 3 unit, base, sugar and the phosphate unit present in the nucleic acid is called nucleotide. Can be easily represented as base plus sugar plus phosphate group known as nucleotide. Now, DNA structure.